Meron ka bang double chin dito na very stubborn? Isa yan sa mga pinaka-common complaint ng patients ko. Ano bang pwede mong gawin? The most common na ginagawa is mesolipo. Kung nag-inject tayo ng fat melters dito, it's effective. I've seen my patients lumiliit. However, you need multiple sessions. At least 5, which you can do every 2 to 4 weeks. So if patient ka and willing kang bumalik sa clinic, mesolipo is a good option. Just make sure dapat doktor and dapat alam ko anong ginagawa. Kasi dangerous din mag-inject sa area natin. Pangalawang option, HIFU. So si HIFU, maganda yan i-combine actually with the mesolipo. So we have it here in the clinic. It's the double chin buster. HIFU muna, then mesolipo. So si HIFU naman, it tightens the skin para hindi maglawlaw after ma-melt yung fat with the mesolipo. Aside from that, meron din siyang konting fat burning properties. Maganda kay HIFU, you only need to do it once a year. So bali ginagawa namin sa clinic, HIFU, then mesolipo, then for your next sessions, meso na lang. Hindi mo na kailangan pa ulit-ulit yung HIFU. Pangatlo, for me, the best na ina-offer namin is yung Agnes Double Chin. Ano yung Agnes Doc? Para siyang device with a needle and ipopoke natin. Don't worry, hindi masakit kasi may anesthesia. Popoke natin yung double chin, no? And you will really hear the fat sizzle. Talagang on the spot, tunawin niya yung taba. It's very effective. My patients love it. Maganda sa kanya, you only need to do 1 to 2 sessions. No? Compared sa mesolipo na kailangan balikan ng balik. And last, the most definitive, syempre, liposuction. Soon, i-offer namin sa clinic, KBK Express Lipo. Pag natanggal na yung taba dito permanently, then more or less, hindi na talaga yan. Tutubo ulit siya. So, if your problem is your stubborn double chin and you're interested in the procedures I've discussed, come visit us sa clinic.